The power strip mock-up and prototype. It's almost impossible to plug a microwave oven next to a refrigerator using the same outlet. Why? Because the fuse or circuit breaker keeps popping. But not anymore. By plugging the microwave in the first outlet and plugging a clock or timer in the fourth outlet, we can now plug the refrigerator in the third outlet of the power strip and plug the power strip into the wall behind the microwave. By using the microwave normally, we can see how the power strip cuts off the electricity to the refrigerator while maintaining current to keep the microwave functioning normally. At the end of the cycle, the power strip restores current to the refrigerator and is ready for a new cycle.